Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pork chop stuffing casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large bowl and I have 2 bags of chicken stuffing mix. This is the stuff that you get at the store in the packs. And I'm going to dump them in a bowl. Make sure you get all of your good chicken seasoning out of there. Now I have 4 cups of chicken broth I'm going to dump in here. And I'm going to give this a stir to moisten up the stuffing. Now I'm going to let this sit aside for a few minutes so that stuffing soaks in that chicken broth. Alright guys, now that my stuffing sat aside and soaked up all that chicken broth, in a 9x13 casserole pan, I sprayed it with some cooking spray, vegetable spray, and I lined it with pork chops. Now I'm going to season this with some pepper. I'm not going to use any salt because we're going to add some cream of mushroom soup to this, and that's salty enough. Now I have 2 10.5 ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to get that down over the chops. And that just plopped out, but that's fine. So we're going to spread this out then. And guys, if you have just the 2 of you or a small family, you can cut this recipe in half. You don't have to make such a large amount. Now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to smear this cream of mushroom soup out all over in here, evenly over the pork chops. It's going to do 2 things, guys. This is going to season the pork chops and the stuffing, and it's also going to keep everything super moist as it bakes. Yeah, Dexter. Dexter's happy because I'm cooking pork today, guys. Okay, now let that spread out. I'm going to take my stuffing and put it over top of the pork chops and the cream of mushroom soup. And guys, this is a really quick, easy casserole, and it's going to have really delicious home-cooked flavors. Somebody would think that you baked this in the oven for hours. Okay, I'm going to even out my stuffing like I did the soup mix, or the soup I should say. Looking good, guys. Okay, now I'm going to cover this with foil, and I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven, covered with the foil for a ½ hour. After my 30 minutes are up, I'm going to take the foil off and let it go for 10 more minutes to help crisp up that, or brown up that stuffing. Alright guys, this is done. I just took it out of the oven. Now when I took the foil off to give it this last 10 minutes, I turned the pan around. That way there would heat through more evenly. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. We'll start that pork chop. I cut into the fat side, guys. That's why it's giving me a little bit of a hard time there. Nice and tender. Took on the flavors of the stuffing and cream of mushroom soup. Stuffing took on the flavors of everything else. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. You can see there's only a few ingredients. Alright, there you have it. Pork chop stuffing casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.